Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. It is so refreshing to drive through the gates of this Jack Sale St. Andrew home that sits on 0.58 acres of land and comes with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. If you grew up in Jamaica, your heart will smile when you see the expansive lawn, perfect for football games and cartwheel races. This takes you back to a time when kids entertained themselves in the garden. This home was designed in the late 1970s by the Jamaican architect Lowe. The floor plan is centered around a courtyard, which provides a cross breeze that keeps the house cool. In the main section of the house, there are 3 bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms, a powder room, study, and a large living room, which flows onto a covered patio. There is a self-contained 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom flat, which can be accessed from the outside or from the main body of the house. This would be perfect for a ground floor master bedroom suite, self-contained flat, or for family members, or it can be used as a TV room or a playroom. This home has given so much joy, and it is time for its new owners to continue its story. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 990,000 or Jamaican $152.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.